To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
Yo, Rasta. Yo, bro. Yo, you alright?
Hey, you say me alright?
You alright?
How are you, man?
Yo,
How are you?
I look say if you're alright, brother, come in and say star mash up everybody.
How are you doing, house? Oh yeah, mash up my place.
Look at yourself. Look at my house. Since you come at my house, mash down because of you. Look at my house. Me tell you if you don't come and you come back here. Where you come back here for? Look at my house. You bring pure saltness. You go with man.
Ask one question. And me bring Melissa come here, so what go on for you?
Why? They are going only with the grace of God, you know. How are you?
Why look at tabernacle and just stay and I blow away, you know? So I don't know right now.
Do you even mention the part there? You know what's a family little board house there may have to blow down to? My backside a little toilet there on the back. That blow down too. Right now, a bush me have to hide and a cut piece.
Boy, right now, I'm glad I see you right now. Where you going? Shall we,
Isis,
yeah.
how much time I go run up my blood pressure?
What?
How much time I go run up my blood pressure? I know your mama.
No, man, I can't. My last,
Isis, where package there?
package.
A package where puppy down let off your way there. Where the money there?
Where
Where there?
there?
Where money there?
Which package?
Yeah man, so me I go carry con gear anytime I finish here. Yeah man, no problem.
Where money there?
What you mean money? Me no done talk about money business already and me tell you so me deliver the money, me drop off the package to your brother. So you asking about money?
Yeah, what eat that tell me for?
What gentleman?
I eat that tell me for. My brother not no money. And my brother not tell me no lie.
Can get the buckle of these after the Miss Chin. Yeah, one buckle of these after. One. Right here, try broke me to you, Miss Chin. Alright, how much that? Alright. You rough for them. I go through the elder. Never keep on the wrong timing and Billy. But you know it go. When the time is right.
I live my life like I just win the lotto.